Hey there, thank you so much for clicking my video. And in today's video, I have another wig show and tell, and today's wig is from Hermosa Hair. If you're interested in this wig, I will leave the website link below in the description box. They also send you some goodies in the bag. I got 2 wig caps and some eyelashes. They also send over a adjustable elastic band that you can insert on the wig on your own, but you have to sew it in. I'm not going to sew it in. I'm just going to wear the wig as it is and use the adjustable straps that's in the back. But your wig comes in this clear plastic baggie. Here's a close-up on inside of the cap construction. It comes with a 13x4 parting space. Behind the parting space, you get 3 combs, another comb and a nape ear with adjustable straps. The cap material is a stretch fit material. And as for the lace, it looks like it's transparent lace. Yeah, I already know. I always say this. I'm going to try my best to blend it in with my skin. The hair texture is silky. Also, the hair comes pre-colored for you. It's in a number 4, and it comes as a body wave. Here's a close-up on the hairline. The hairline comes lightly pre-plucked, and the knots, I wouldn't say it's bleached. It just comes as the same color as the wig, which is a number 4, and you get baby hairs on the hairline. I'm going to keep the styling on this wig show and tell pretty simple. I'm just going to do a right side part and keep the style as it is in the body wave form. And I'm also going in with the hot comb. I'm pressing down the hairline, and I'm pressing down the roots of the hair by the parting space so it can lay more flat. Me showing this part also help you guys see how the hairline come, so you can decide if you want to go in and pluck the hairline or not. I'm trying to keep this wig show and tell beginner friendly, so I'm not going to go in and pluck the hairline, but I'm going to take out some baby hair so I could do a few swoops in the front by the temple and the, what's that called? The sideburn. After I parted the hair, it came out a little frizzy, so now I'm going to go in with this Simply Styling spray. It's a silicone spray, and just lightly mist some of this over the hair. This really helps eliminate frizzes. I learned this from Is That Your Hair channel. It's really helpful on synthetic wigs as well. It get it looking brand new. Not super brand new like when you first get it straight out of the box, but it helped revive it. Now that I'm all done styling the wig, I'm going to cut off the extra lace. You can cut the extra lace off while it's on your head, but I like to cut it on the mannequin head so I can see where I'm cutting. So I'm just using eyebrow scissors to cut off the extra lace, and I'm cutting in little zigzag motions on the hairline. Lace come in the back by the nape area. Don't forget to cut that off as well. Underneath the lace, I applied some makeup powder, but only to the spots that I'll be showing. So that's the parting space and hairline. I gotta save some product. I can't be just putting the makeup powder all over the lace. Hey there. Now it's time for the install. I did not go in and wash this wig as of yet. You can go in and wash the wig. I'm just showing what the wig looked like in the body wave style, just in case if anybody want to wear it straight out of the package. Right there in the back is where I hooked my adjustable straps. The lace is still coming off gray on my skin, so to hide that, I know you guys see this a lot, but I gotta show it for the ones that never seen it before. I'm gonna take this NARS foundation and I'm gonna smudge some of the product on the paper towel so I don't apply too much product on top of the lace. The rest of the product that's on the brush, which is the foundation, I'm just lightly applying it on the hairline on top of the lace. Now for this wig show and tell, to hold on the lace, I'm going to go in with this bedhead hardhead spray, and I'm going to spray one layer of this on top of the lace and then blow dry it on warm until it's completely dry. I only sprayed the hairline from my temple all the way to my right side temple because that's the only part that would be showing for the wig show and tell. Now I'm going to go in and add a few swoops in the front of baby hair so my forehead don't look too serious. And to hold it down, I'm going to go in with this GLEE made mousse. Now I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360 and applying some of that powder on top of the lace to the parting space and hairline. This is just going to help hide the knots on the lace and also help the parting space look a little bit more like scalp. All right, not bad at all for something straight out of the box. You guys know I am a plucking the hairline girl and going in and washing the wig, straightening the wig, doing my own curls. But this isn't bad for something straight out of the package. I wanted to make this video very beginner friendly. You could even sometimes look at a wig, but I don't know if you can, but I can. I can look at a wig sometimes and be like, ooh, I could pluck that and it's gonna be so nice. So you do have the option to go in and pluck the hairline if you want and wash the wig. I do believe this wig come in one size only. My head circumference is 22 inches and it fits really snug. As you can see, I hooked the adjustable straps really close. If you have a smaller head, then I recommend crisscrossing the adjustable straps or even inserting your own elastic band or that elastic band that they sent with the hooks. You could sew that in the cap yourself. This is the natural hair pattern it comes in. I just used the silicone spray to help fight the frizzes. The length of this wig comes as 24 inches and it falls 24 inches on me. My height is 5'6". The hair feels soft, like I said before. It's on the silky side. As for the lace, it's not super blended and melted in my skin. If I tied it down for a few hours, I feel like it will be more melted. But once you get the lace to match your skin, it's really not that bad. I don't really feel like you can wear this wig glueless unless you insert a elastic band. The parting space is 4 inches deep. And like I said before, it comes with a 13x4 parting space. So you can part this wig in the right, middle, or left. I haven't tried brown hair in a while, but I really like this color for fall. Super cute for the upcoming changing season. I didn't really do much styling to know if the hair have any tangling, but the little bit of strokes that I did with the brush and the comb, I didn't get any tangles. As for shedding was very, very, very low. I barely got anything. I know that's because I didn't go in and pluck the hairline. So that's even a plus, because even if I didn't pluck the hairline, sometimes there's wig out there that you just get straight out of the box and it's shedding like crazy, but this is good on the shedding. You don't have to return to sender. You don't have to abort that mission. So that's pretty much it. I don't have any cons. I just wish the hairline was plucked a little bit more, but it's not too bad. It's lightly pre-plucked, and I do have the option to go in and pluck it. Like I said, I just keep it beginner friendly. So this is a wig show and tell for anybody that's curious on what this wig looked like from the Hermosa Hair website. If you're looking for a new style, or you just wanted to click and support and show your girl some love. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. If you'd like to see more videos like this, or if this video helped you out, hit the thumbs up button. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Later, you guys.